Hello children, let's learn some colors. Black color, green color, yellow color, pink color, orange color, purple color, pink color, red color, brown color, dark green color, blue color, sky blue color. Alphabets. A for apple. A for apple. B for ball. B for ball. C for cherry. C for cherry. D for dog. D for dog. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fan. F for fan. Z for goat. Z for goat. H for horse. H for horse. I for ink. I for ink. J for joker. K for kite. K for kite. L for lion. L for lion. M for mango. M for mango. N for nails. N for nails. O for orange. O for orange. P for pineapple. P for pineapple. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rat. R for rat. S for sun. S for sun. T for tomato. T for tomato. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for violin. V for violin. W for water. W for water. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Y for yarn. Y for yarn. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. A for apple. B for ball. C for cherry. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fan. Z for goat. H for horse. I for ink. J for joker. K for kite. L for lion. M for mango. N for nib. O for orange. P for pineapple. Q for queen. R for rat. S for sun. T for tomato. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for water. X for X-ray. Y for yarn. Z for zoo. Please like my video and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you.